In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your following list on Instagram. Instagram doesn't offer a direct switch to hide your following list if your profile is public. The most reliable way to protect it is to make your account private. When you do, only people you approve as followers can see your following list, along with your posts and stories. Let me walk you through exactly how to set this up and share a few extra privacy tips to keep your account under control. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings and Privacy. In there, look for Account Privacy. You'll see the option labeled Private Account. Toggle that on, and when the confirmation prompt appears, tap Switch to Private Account. From this point on, your profile won't be fully visible to everyone. People who want to follow you will have to send a request, and you'll decide whether to approve it. Only approved followers can see your following list, which is the key to keeping it out of public view. This also applies to your posts and stories, giving you a more controlled, close-knit audience. If you already have followers you don't want seeing your activity, you can remove them without notifying them. Go to your profile, tap followers, find the account you want to remove, and tap remove. This quietly cleans up your audience and keeps your following list and content limited to people you actually trust. You can also fine-tune how certain users interact with you. Visit any profile, tap the three dots, and choose restrict to limit their comments and messages without fully cutting them off, or select block if you prefer a complete cutoff. Restrict is subtle and useful for reducing unwanted attention. Block is best when you want zero interaction. For extra privacy, consider hiding your online presence. In Settings, go to Messages and Story Replies and toggle off Show Activity Status. This prevents others from seeing when you're active or when you were last online, which helps minimize pressure to respond or appear available. A quick note: avoid third-party tools that claim to hide your following list or boost privacy. They can violate Instagram's rules and put your account at risk. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.